I'm really excited. This just came from Tasmania. Ta-da! Very heavy. From band, Hoggin's dance band. Dark, almost dark chocolate. This is almost dark chocolate. Look at this. That's lovely. I have never seen this type of eggs before in my life. This is the first time I've seen them, and I'm so excited to try them out. Now, Ben has told me the eggs actually came from two types of heritage hens, and one is known as the French Marine, and the other one is known as the Barney or Barney Velder. So I'll take out one of the chocolate brown egg shell. This is the meringue, and this one right here is the Barney egg. Asian style fried eggs. By comparing Ben's heritage eggs against the supermarket free range eggs. Here's the Barney. So this is a supermarket eggs. This is the heritage egg. The supermarket egg, free range. The color of the egg yolk is more orange. It's more orange than the color of the supermarket egg, which is not as orange as this one. And also the shape of the egg yolk itself is more round and more held together. I'm going to fry these eggs and these two eggs, and we can have a look to see if there's any difference. Okay, this one right here, this is the heritage eggs. That's interesting. It's actually, I've never seen a balloon. Hope it's not going to burst. It's going to start bursting. Oh, it's going to burst. Okay. Wow. Okay. Heat up this one. Can you actually tell the difference between these two? And this is an Asian style eggs, so it's brown and crisp on the edges and at the bottom. This is the supermarket eggs, nice and crisp at the bottom, and this is the heritage eggs, nice and crisp at the bottom. You can see that the egg yolk is very orange. See, it's more yellowy. And the yolk itself is almost cooked, but not cooked right through. It's still a bit runny. What I'll do next, I'm going to make fried egg, and I'm going to make the fried egg using Ben's heritage egg, and I'm going to serve it on top of my salted fish fried rice. I still have a bowl left from yesterday. I'm going to serve it on top, and I'm going to have a sauce to serve with the egg, and the sauce itself is sour, sweet, and is a nyonya style. So I'll show you how to make this nyonya style fried egg with the sauce. It's called egg belanda. This second egg heritage egg that I'm going to try is a speckled egg, is the Barney egg. Wow, the egg yolk is very round. It's a perfect shape of the egg. Okay, so that's ready. I'm just going to remove it. I have a bowl of leftover salted fish fried rice from yesterday. So I'm going to serve this egg on top of the fried rice. The ingredients that I will need, I need 1 tablespoon of fermented soybean, which comes from this jar. And I'm going to press it to smash the beans into a paste. Okay, let's start with this, the onions. Garlic, mince the garlic until it's quite fine. Slice of my chili. I'm using 2 red and 1 green. This is how I remove the seeds from the chili. Just tap it, squeeze it and tap it. The green chili. This sauce is the nyonya belanda sauce. Now I have done a previous video, it's called belanda K, which I actually make a chicken version. I'll put a link below the description or on the top right of this video. That's all the preparation I need to do. I'm going to use the same oil, but it's too much oil. I'm scooping some of the oil. I'm going to add the garlic and the chien, which is the fermented soybean. Can smell it, it smells aromatic, smells nice. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to add the tamarind. Now these are the seeds, so we don't really want to use it. This can be discarded. Bubbling now, I'm going to add in the onions, all of it. I'm going to use all the chili as well. Now I'm going to add the sugar. It's not sweet enough. I'm going to add a bit more sugar, maybe another teaspoon, so there's 3. Gonna have another taste. It's definitely sweet enough now. What I'll do next, I'm gonna add some cornstarch to thicken the sauce and the gravy. Still a little bit watery, so I'm gonna add more cornstarch. Definitely thickening up. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat. So I'm going to scoop it and put it in the bowl. So this will be the sauce, my nyonya belanda sauce to go with the egg. I'm keeping this as a separate bowl to be used later on tonight. And the rest of this, I'm going to use it for my fried rice with the egg. My leftover fried rice. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Salted fish chicken fried rice leftover from last night, the video which I did. If you missed that video, I'll post the link below the description or on the top right of this video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this egg on top of the fried rice. This is the heritage eggs. And then I'm going to pour the sauce over it. So this is the belanda nyonya sauce. That is my home version of egg belanda with salted fish, chicken fried rice. The nyonya belanda sauce goes very well with the salted fish fried rice. The egg itself is very lovely. It's crispy at the bottom and the edges. And the yolk for this one, which I make, is slightly on the cooked side. But I can still taste the egg yolk, which is quite creamy and it's quite rich and it has flavor. Another way of serving egg belanda. I'm going to reheat the nyonya belanda sauce. The egg looks beautiful. Now, I'm not sure if you can tell which are the heritage eggs. I can tell that this is actually a heritage egg because it holds the shape of the egg, and so is this. And this one right here is the supermarket egg. I hope you enjoyed today's video, Introduction to Heritage Eggs. First time I've cooked with heritage eggs, making fried eggs. And if you enjoyed this video, new to my YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.